Chef Julius Bailey started cooking 2 hours ago. He used many ingredients and now he is mixing some of them in the pan while his assistant is preparing some different ingredients to put in the oven. His assistant is a very skillful woman called Magda. She is chopping vegetables and adding seasoning to put them in the oven. The chef is waiting and waiting while all the ingredients are cooked. After a long wait, he is revealing his mysterious recipe for the first time now. Try not to be disappointed, but the recipe is only a very complicated chicken soup.